I have no responsibility anymore. I don't have an apartment. I could literally go anywhere. I'm gonna go wherever I want. Let's go to a state park in Colorado because I can do that. And I'm so excited. It's like overwhelmingly excited. It's hot in this car. I got my whole car set up. I got a dash cam. I got a place to sleep. I got snacks. I got everything. Okay guys, so for the first part of this road trip, yeah, we're gonna go to a state park in Colorado because I got this state parks pass and I feel like I have barely used it since I came to Colorado. So we're gonna go to Bar Lake State Park, which is on our way to Nebraska, and we're gonna go see the Scottsbluff National Monument tonight and hopefully get a really good sunset. So let's get to going. I don't know if y'all can see this pretty bandage on my arm, but I am fully vaccinated now. Whether your opinion on that is good or bad, I needed to get it to work this job this summer. So I'm really hoping that I feel okay for this road trip because I only have like 3.5 hours today, but I have 8 hours tomorrow, and tomorrow's supposed to be the worst of it. So I'm just gonna try and forget that I got it, so maybe my brain forgets to feel side effects. Goats, cows. There's nobody around. Wow, I think I've only been driving for like a half hour and I'm just right out of the city limits of Denver and it's just moo. I have my GoPro attached to the dashboard so I don't get distracted touching it while driving, so I can't show you the cows. But believe me, there is a lot of them. You know, I never drove over here to this state park because it was across the city from where I was living, and driving through cities gives me terrible anxiety, which is something I'm trying to get over through this life on the road. So just wait, in like 5 years from now I'm gonna be like a NASCAR driver. I'm just kidding, Dad. We are about to be at Bar Lake, which is exciting because there's nobody on this road, so it should be pretty empty there and we can spend a nice hour chilling. This view is insane. How did I never come here? Oh my god, guys, the snow on the Rockies just adds to it. Oh my god, it's just, you just wait. Do you hear those birds? There's so much wildlife here. Those mountains. Oh, we're getting out the good camera for those mountains. We got wildlife. So majestic. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. Well, that was fun. See, it starts to walk towards me. I was like, no, no, no. It's really cute and fluffy though. Also, guess who has not one, but 2 things of bug repellent in the car and didn't wear any and is currently getting eaten alive by mosquitoes? It's me. Back on the road. So I managed to lose my lens cap on the first stop of my trip, but I walked the trail again because it was only like a mile long and I almost gave up, and just as I was about to turn around, like I looked at this sign and someone had like put it up on top because I guess it fell, I think it fell out of my pocket when I saw the deer and kind of like stepped back, but that was so nice. And then the other thing that just happened was I was like about to get into my car, but there was a wasp, and I hate wasps. I don't do wasps. We don't do wasps here. I did this to the wasp because I was like, you know, get out of my way, like I need to get in my car. And there's another guy mowing the lawn, like kind of also in the same view. So I'm doing this and he just like looks at me and tilts his head and I'm just like, not you, the wasp. I'm so awkward. We're gonna head to Nebraska. So I started driving and I whipped the wheel and whoof, starting to feel that vaccine. I did forget about it, but I remembered. Well, my contraption only lasted for I guess an hour, and then when it sat in the sun, it just melted the sticky. So back to handheld. This is the setup. Let's do it. Oh my god. I don't don't think you could see the mountains the way I can, but they're beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Man, oh man, you guys, I just love having this like whole highway to myself, basically. I get a view of my mountains to the left. I got some great music playing. Like this is awesome. This is the life that I want to live every day and just go and see new things, and it's a great day. Okay, so I just wanted to make the suggestion that if you are driving from Denver to Scottsbluff, Nebraska randomly, to hit avoid highways on your phone. This is the most beautiful route, and like I'm still going really fast because these are farm roads, so do it. My only suggestion is if you are driving these roads, definitely get gas before you like leave Denver. I'm pretty sure I've only seen one gas station so far. I mean, I have enough gas in my tank to get me all the way to where I need to go, but just so you know, there's also no iced coffee. So when you run out of iced coffee, you just get sad. Officially made it to Nebraska. I would tell you how far we are, but the GPS doesn't want to work at all. Well, I have no service at all, but I think it's just a straight shot for the most part. What a quiet little town. All the houses look the same. But I am about to arrive at the hotel that I booked for the night. Wow, this town is so Nebraska. I love it. I love it. I love every second. Oh, there's a lot of potholes. Y'all ready? How nice for $37 with tax. The office lady is so nice. She told me the best place to get some coffee. I got this huge iced coffee for $1.49. So Nebraska's pretty awesome. Nobody wears masks here, so I've been looking like an idiot coming from Colorado. Okay, I faced a little bit of a problem. I really wanted to go see Scottsbluff National Monument for sunset, right? But the national park closes at 4:30, which is 2 minutes ago. So I don't really know how I'm gonna watch the sunset there when the sunset's in like 4 hours. So I guess I'm gonna go find a park for sunset. I'm not feeling great. I feel pretty achy and a little cold and tired. So there's still an hour till sunset, but oh my God, did I drink water? I'm gonna go to Scottsbluff National Monument in the morning and end the vlog then, because I'm just gonna try and sleep this off and hopefully feel better for the 8 hours of driving I have to do tomorrow. So see you then. Well, that was awful. Tried to get as much sleep as I could, but I could tell I just had a fever all night and was just achy and cold sweats, and it was just not good. It's honestly to the point where I thought I was gonna have to stay here another night and just be in bed all day, but I'm feeling a little bit better now. I'm hoping it's nothing a little fresh air can't fix. Still gonna go and try and see Scottsbluff National Monument. I'm gonna try my hardest. I'm sorry if this vlog isn't great. I feel terrible, but we're gonna make it work. This is a part of traveling. Probably shouldn't get your second dose of this vaccine as soon as you're leaving, but I didn't really have a choice. I wanted to leave on May 20th, but the soonest second dose I could get was the 24th, so I had to wait till the last possible second and leave right after, so maybe just plan around that. All right, let's pack up this car. Fueled by the sun, thankfully. Oh, I feel better out there. Okay. Oh my God, guys, that was so beautiful. Okay, I didn't stop because I think I saw a pay station. I don't know, and I have 8.5 hours of driving to do today, so I just kind of want to get on the road. But this is absolutely gorgeous. I'm still glad I got to see it. Stay tuned for the next one where we go to South Dakota. I'll catch you then. Woo! We made it to South Dakota!